Amazing! A box full of sea animal toys. An octopus. Pufferfish, jellyfish, a whale, triggerfish, narwhal, an angelfish. Look at the pink dolphin. A great white shark. Amazing! It's a big giant shark box. Let's discover what's inside the box. Some sea animal toys inside the box. Clownfish. Clownfish form symbiotic relationships with sea anemones, but they are protected by the sea anemone's stinging tentacles. Anglerfish. Anglerfish are deep-sea predators known for their bioluminescent lure, which they use to attract prey in the dark, deep ocean. Starfish. Despite their name, starfish are not fish. They are usually echinoderms. They have 5 arms and some can possess 40 arms. Orcas, also known as killer whales, are the apex predators and are known for their intelligence, complex social structures, and distinctive black and white colorations. Spotted rays. Spotted rays are characterized by their flattened bodies, long whip-like tails. They are found in tropical and subtropical water. Polar bears. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores and are highly adapted to their Arctic environment. Octopus. Octopuses are highly intelligent cephalopods with complex behaviors and problem-solving abilities. Lobsters. Lobsters are invertebrates. Lobsters are crustaceans with a hard exoskeleton and 10 walking legs. Sea snails. Sea snails are mollusks found in marine habitats worldwide. Some species, like the cone snails, are venomous. Seahorse. Seahorses are unique fish known for their upright postures and horse-like head. They are slow swimmers. Sea turtle. Sea turtles are ancient creatures that have been around for millions of years. They are known for their distinctive shells that can be found in oceans around the world.